Ahmed wakes as dawn's first light touches the room. After his morning prayers, he immediately drinks 2 glasses of room temperature water. This simple act is a calculated start. He waits 15 minutes, allowing his body to absorb the moisture, preparing his kidneys to flush out toxins before the real work begins. He avoids the common trap of coffee on an empty stomach. Instead, he chooses pure water to maintain his energy levels naturally.
As his heart rate begins to rise, his internal systems are already clear and fully hydrated. During the heat of his workout, sweat pours down his face. He feels the intense urge to gulp down water instantly.
But he ignores it. This is the peak of his discipline. He waits for his breathing to stabilize, then takes a glass, sipping it slowly and deliberately. By exercising on an empty stomach, he forces his body to process stored carbohydrates and fats with maximum efficiency.
He feels his lungs fill with the crisp morning air, his mind becoming sharp and alert. By breakfast, Ahmed's metabolism is active and clear. He has mastered the secret of hydration,
avoiding the midday slump that plagues so many. For Ahmed, water is not a response to thirst, but a fuel for life.